right, pull on through to bay 3.
The freshly harvested aloe vera is carefully stacked before beginning its journey through the processing facility. Our enclosed washing systems use powerful, high-pressure jets to remove impurities, guaranteeing product quality.
Here at the processing facility, our quality control team meticulously inspects every single leaf to ensure only the
The outer green rind is precisely separated, revealing the pure, translucent gel essential for our extraction process. Here, the aloe vera gel enters the grinding units, where powerful helical screws break down the fibers for juice production.
Aloe vera juice undergoes gentle pasteurization in closed heat exchangers.
Here, the aloe vera is carefully chilled. Our temperature-controlled pipelines ensure the juice maintains peak freshness as it moves through the facility.
Here we see the massive scale of the operation as the empty vessels are prepared for the signature aloe vera blend.
The robotic arms precisely guide each bottle of aloe vera juice into its carton, ready for distribution.
The automated system ensures every carton of aloe vera juice is perfectly protected before it leaves the factory.
The scale of the operation is immense. Fully automated, these robots precisely navigate the warehouse.
Pallet 52 begins its journey. The automated systems ensure a seamless transition from the production line to the outbound loading bays.
Polysaccharide levels are consistent across the last 3 cycles.
Excellent. The new extraction method is working.
Safety systems remain active inside the aloe vera juice facility.
Equipment dries under filtered air systems. This massive facility operates 24 hours a day, processing millions of tons of food.